Hi, welcome back. Before we get into the hands-on implementation on the MySQL database, we would like to have quick intro about the SQL. SQL is a structured query language. This is the standard language to interact with RDBMS databases. So it's a more like a programming language that's designed for or to manipulate and manage the data stored into the database. SQL is used to perform the CRUD operations, so which is create, read, update and delete operations on the database. So primarily the SQL is composed of three parts. The first part is the data definition language, which is a DDL. DDL commands will be used to define the database and its objects. So some of the examples like tables, views, triggers, stored procedures, and etc. The next set of commands that you have is DML, which is a data manipulation language. These are used to manipulate the data inside the database. So it can be either update or read or create the data into the database. That can be comes under DML commands. And you also have a data control language, which is a DCL. So DCL primarily is for the grant permissions to the users to access the specific data in the database. So sometimes you might want to create some kind of an access controls on the database level that you will be doing through the data control language. So this is the basic intro of the SQL. Now in the next section, let's get started handling of the database. Thank you.